Hi, my name's Andy. I work at Easy Test Pool. I'm the pool cleaner technician here on 26 Main Street, Clauston, New Hampshire, 03865. We're going to disassemble and assemble an Aquabot Turbo today. So I'm just going to go along and take it apart, and you can see what's happening here, and I'll stop periodically to explain a few things. First, you're going to take your bag out. Next, you're going to take the cage out. This is the bag protector. And this is the drive motor, and you got your pump motor here. We're going to take these apart, take them right out today. We'll take it all down to nothing. First, you take this cover off. Always try to have a container to put all your parts in so you won't lose anything. Next, where the wires go for the main floating cable and your pump motor, you got to dig all this gray putty out, electrical putty, so you can get it at the wires. When disconnecting the wires from the terminals, just remember the black goes with the white and the white goes with the brown. You got the white wire, so the black wire goes with the white on the floating cable, and the brown one goes with the white on the pump motor. When you disconnect that, next, you come over here, take the snap rings out for the side covers. Next, you're going to take the screws off the side covers so you can get at the motor. Flip it up on end. Take the bushings out. Take the end plate out. And you got your rollers. You got your drive belts. You got your pulley assembly, which runs off the drive motor, that runs the drive belts, that runs the wheel tubes for your brushes. Next, there's two screws here to take out the drive motor. Here's the drive motor. This here goes on here, and this drives everything for the belts and for the wheel tubes. Again, just pull this off, the bushings out. This all comes apart. There's your wheel tubes and your brushes. Wheel tube and brush. Drive tracks. End plate with your rollers. Basically got a carcass of an Aquabot robot here. Next I'm going to flip it up and take the pump motor out. Be very careful taking these screws out and putting it back in, because it's plastic. Plastic breaks easy. Plus, where it's been in your pool, your chemicals, and so forth, this makes everything a little brittle. You can be very careful with it. There's the cover. There's your impeller for your pump. This pump motor pumps the water from the bottom, draws it up through your holes of your bag basket that collects the stuff in the basket, similar to a vacuum cleaner. Without a pump motor, it will not vacuum. It will move, but it won't vacuum. And you can always tell if your pump motor is working when you get a good flow of water coming out of the top of it. Last screw I usually is hold on to the pump so it won't drop or break the air off. And there's the pump motor. That's the impeller. Next, if you want, you can just undo these screws, 2 screws on each end, and you can take the handle out. Take the handle out. If you need to change the handle, these are the handle brackets. Just take these 2 screws out. That will come out, that will slide out, and then you take the clip on this pin here, you slide the clip out to change your handle.